Hi, I'm Chris, the Director of Operations at CM Cleaning Company.
And I'm John, the Operations Manager. CM Cleaning Company is a family-owned and operated, top-ranked janitorial firm servicing Boston's South Shore community since 1972.
Typically, we're known for our expertise in custom-tailored school and office cleaning programs. However, today, we wanted to introduce our state-of-the-art electrostatic spraying system, which allows us to effectively and efficiently disinfect complete facilities to reduce the spread of illness. Virus infection has a larger impact than ever in schools, businesses, and athletic facilities. Traditional wipe clean methods of disinfecting help, but aren't completely effective in reaching nooks and crannies of hard-to-reach areas. CM Cleaning's state-of-the-art electrostatic spraying systems apply a light mist of CDC and EPA-approved disinfectants at a rate of 75% more effective than traditional cleaning methods.
It is 100% compatible on a wide variety of hard and soft surfaces, prohibits the growth of mold and mildew, eliminates odors, and is safe on food preparation surfaces. Some of the other benefits is that it kills 99.9% of bacteria on all common touch surface items, and it kills 44 organisms, including cold and flu virus, coronavirus, staph, MRSA, and norovirus. It is safe, non-bleach formula that is designed to dry in under 5 minutes. This way, the occupied space only needs to be vacated for a short time while spraying takes place. Electrostatic spraying delivers 3 times the coverage of traditional spray bottles due to positively charged disinfectant droplets which magnetically attract and wrap around target surfaces.
Additionally, there are many safety benefits associated with electrostatic disinfection, since chemicals applied in a more uniform and controlled manner. This removes the dangers of overuse and reduces waste by as much as 60% per square foot than manual spray and wipe methods.
All of our cleaners, full and part-time, are trained in accordance with OSHA standard guidelines through annual video training courses, which cover bloodborne pathogens, sexual harassment, personal protective equipment, and hazmat training. The video training is followed up with a mandatory 2-day hands-on training session with our IICRC certified management staff. Specifically, our technicians that utilize our electrostatic spraying technology are certified in COVID-19 disinfecting protocols, including the proper use of gowning and Tyvek suits, gloves, safety goggles, and other PPE. CM Cleaning has been successful based on the often forgotten values of customer service, quality workmanship, and competitive pricing.
We are not a faceless franchise, which gives us the dedication and flexibility to immediately respond to any of our customers' needs. Call our office today at 781-828-2014 to schedule your complimentary analysis.